Hello YouTubers, I am back. While I was recording my episode, I got a package in the mail. And I've kind of cut the tape because there's a lot of tape on this box. But I'm going to unbox this for you. This is one of my new pipes. So the first thing that I got was this sticker from the pipe Nook. And then I got this awesome business card. Nice little touch, by the way, to the actual thing. And then I got my invoice and a handwritten thank you from the person from the pipe Nook. That was really cool. That was such a nice touch. Then I got this. This is my new Peterson pipe, and I am so excited because this is my Dracula pipe from Bram Stoker's Dracula. And this pipe is the B10 smooth fishtail. So I'm going to open this. Oh, that's cool too. Look at that. Matches. Nice little thing of matches. And then inside is this tissue paper. And then unfold that, and this is so cool. It's like this velvet pouch that looks like, when you think about Ireland and the green, that is like Irish green. It's really cool. I'm going to take this out. There we go. And there it is. Look at this pipe. Look at that. This is outstanding. This is gorgeous. Look at this print across the stem right here. It's got the good old Peterson logo stamped right into the stem. And this is so cool. It literally has bats and Dracula. I don't know if you can see that. Right here on the band. And then right here is the actual styling and the print from Peterson Pipe Company. And man, what a gorgeous pipe this is. Wow. I'm going to start breaking this one in. I've got 4 more coming, but this, I love red. So, and I love black together. I love these 2 colors. So this is really going to be one of my favorites. Oh, that feels good. Wow. Just wanted to show you guys this, the unboxing of the Peterson B10 Dracula pipe.